Hello dear children, this is LK Tripathi from LPM Public School Gola Bazar Gorakhpur. Dear students, we have a new video related to your topic, that is what is democracy, that is civic sector first. In this video we shall know about the new topic, that is a simple definition. Simple definition of democracy is here, which we have to come to know about that. Let us get back to our discussion on similarities and differences among governments that are called democracies. One simple factor common to all democracies is the government is chosen by the people. We could thus start with a simple definition. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. None such a definition is there in other form of government in the world except democracy. What is that? Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. This is a useful starting point. This definition allows us to separate democracy from forms of government that are clearly not democratic. Really, this is true. No other form of the government is there in the world society which can define in such a way about the government. So, we can say frankly that democracy is the best form of the government in the world. The army rulers of Myanmar were not elected by the people. Those who happened to be in control of the army became the rulers of the country. The example of Myanmar is here. There is absolutely military control. Army rules there. So we can say the rule of army is not such a form of government which is elected by the people. People had no say in this decision. Dictators like Pinochet, belonging from Chile, are not elected by the people. Pinochet, who was the dictator of Chile, that is a country of South America, was not elected by the people of the country. This also applies to monarchies. It means that is also a kind of monarchical government. The kings of Saudi Arabia rule not because the people have chosen them to do so, but because they happen to be born into the royal family. Second example of Saudi Arabia is there. The ruler of Saudi Arabia is not chosen on the behalf of the people, but it happens that he has born from the royal family. In the monarchical form of the government, the ruler of the country is that who is the elder son of the king. Means we can say the son of the king become the king of the country next time. So this type of hereditary control is there in Saudi Arabia. The son of the king becomes the ruler of the country after him. This simple definition is not adequate. It reminds us that democracy is people's rule. But if we use this definition in an unthinking manner, we would end up calling almost every government that holds an election a democracy. That would be very misleading. As we shall find out in chapter 3, every government in contemporary world wants to be called a democracy. All the country, wherever monarchical form of the government or dictatorship, they also want democratic form of the government because people of the country don't like the rule of an individual or a group of individuals because their interest, their respect, their wish is not there with the individual ruler or the dictator. That's why all the people of the country, of the world, want to be democratic. Chapter 3 of this book will give more detail about the democracy which we shall study in coming time. Even if it is not so, that is why we need to carefully distinguish between a government that is a democracy and one that pretends to be one. We can do so by understanding each word in this definition carefully and spelling out the features of a democratic government. Now, next, Ri Byung, who is a child of class 9, what happens with him? Ri Byung went back home and collected some more famous quotations on democracy. Reaching at home from school, he collected so many information, so many evidences related to the quotation of democracy. This time, she did not mention the names of the people who said or wrote these. इस बार वो जो है किसी भी नाम को, किसी भी व्यक्ति के नाम को मेंशन नहीं करता है जो जिन्होंने इस कोटेशन को लिखा था. She wants you to read these and comment on how good or useful these thoughts are. Democracy gives every man the right to be his own oppressor. Next, democracy consists of choosing your dictators after they have told you what you think it is you want to hear. Man's capacity for justice makes democracy possible, but man's inclination to injustice makes democracy necessary. Next, democracy is the device that ensures we shall be gone no better than we deserve. Now the next, all the ills of democracy can be cured by more democracy. Conclusively, we can say the best form of the government among all form of the government is democracy. Democratic form of the government ensures the interest of the people of the country to live freely, happily, independently and without pressure. Because in this form of the government, a single person or a group of individuals are not the ruler of the country, but it is the rule of the people on people's behalf the country is governed. Undoubtedly, we say that the democracy is the best form of the government in the world. This cartoon also provides a lot of things about democracy. What do you understand watching this cartoon in the book? So, you can say frankly, all the people of the country want to have democracy. That's why they are highlighting the flag of democracy. This cartoon was drawn when elections were held in Iraq with the presence of US and other foreign powers. What do you think this cartoon is saying? Why is democracy written the way it is? The cartoon shows when the election was held in Iraq in presence in control of US and other foreign powers, because in Iraq was also not democracy during the regime of Saddam Hussein. So Saddam Hussein was like a dictator of Iraq. In coming days, the US Army and other foreign powers rooted out him from his power. After a long period, when situation became normal in Iraq, the election was conducted there under supervision of the US and other foreign powers. So this cartoon also shows the same thing about the democracy. Now the next, we can say, let us see the Rivian's opinion about democracy. Again, we have to understand about the points. What is that? Democracy gives every man the right to be his own oppressor. डेमोक्रेसी क्या करता है? हर व्यक्ति को जो है ये अधिकार देता है कि अपने तरीके से अपने जीवन को जी सके कानून के दायरे में. सेकंड को क्या कहते हैं? डेमोक्रेसी कंसिस्ट ऑफ चूजिंग योर डिक्टेटर्स आफ्टर दे हैव टोल्ड यू व्हाट यू थिंक इट इज़ यू वांट टू हियर. डेमोक्रेसी ये भी कंसिस्ट करती है कि आप अपने डिक्टेटर को जब चुने थे, या डिक्टेटर को तो चुना नहीं जाता है, जब उसकी डिक्टेटरशिप थी तो वो किस तरह का व्यवहार करता था, क्या आपसे कहता था, और जब डेमोक्रेसी आ गई तो किस तरह का व्यवहार किया, वो आपको भी सुनता है. जब तक वो डिक्टेटर था तब तक आप उसकी केवल सुनती रहे, लेकिन डेमोक्रेसी में कोई डिक्टेटर नहीं है, आपकी भी बात को वैसे ही सुना जाएगा जैसे उसकी सुनी जाएगी. कोई डिक्टेटर इसमें नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट, मैन्स कैपेसिटी फॉर जस्टिस मेक्स डेमोक्रेसी पॉसिबल, बट मैन्स इंक्लिनेशन टू इनजस्टिस मेक्स डेमोक्रेसी नेसेसरी. जो मनुष्य की क्षमता है, जो जस्टिस के लिए, न्याय के लिए उसको क्षमता है, वो डेमोक्रेसी को पॉसिबल बनाती है. लेकिन जब व्यक्ति की मैन्स इंक्लिनेशन है, इंक्लिनेशन मीन्स जब ऊपर की तरफ जाने लगता है, जब उस ऊपर की तरफ मतलब आउट ऑफ रूल जाने लगता है, जब इनजस्टिस होती है उसके साथ, तो उसके साथ डेमोक्रेसी नेसेसरी हो जाती है, क्योंकि डेमोक्रेसी में जस्टिस पॉसिबल है। डेमोक्रेसी इज ए डिवाइस दैट इंश्योर्स वी शैल बी गवर्न नो बेटर देन वी डिजर्व। डेमोक्रेसी एक ऐसी डिवाइस है कि जो इंश्योर करती है कि हम जिस भी देश में रहते हैं, जैसे भी गवर्न किए जाते हैं, और जो डेमोक्रेसी को हम डिजर्व करते हैं, इससे बढ़िया कुछ भी डिजर्वेशन नहीं है। मीन टू से नो अदर फॉर्म ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इन द वर्ल्ड विच इज डिजर्वेबल लाइक डेमोक्रेसी। All the ills of democracy can be cured by more democracy। जो देश में जो भी बीमारियां हैं, जो डेमोक्रेसी की बीमारी है, वो उसका निदान हो सकता है कैसे? इसको और भी ज़्यादा डेमोक्रेटिक बना करके, मतलब मैक्सिमम डेमोक्रेसी, एब्सोल्यूट डेमोक्रेसी इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एनी कंट्री to run it in better way. In this way, we can say the democratic form of the government is the best form of the government. This is necessary for the entire world to have democracy, because in this form of the government, the interest, the freedom, the liberty of the people can be existed. Rest we shall discuss in the next video in coming time to know much more about the topic. Till then, do your task as prescribed by your teacher, complete your copy, make question answer in maximum number in your fair copy. We shall be meeting next time. Till then, goodbye.